Gerald G. Money Wells and Nino Brown in the building, man. Birds in the water, man.
Birds in the water, man. Street is
going down, man.
Straight like that. That's why they make sidewalks.
Hey,
streets ain't for everybody.
Got the Dudder Man right here, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, birds in the water.
Yeah, man. Birds, baby. That's Christopher Wells, man.
Damn right. God damn. Kareem Akbar, educated brother from the bank.
Educated brother, you never see him people.
Hey, that's definitely an Uncle Daddy hat right
Hey,
here.
talk about, family reunion.
Oh, I might not even use Vans, Jack. You gotta got down. Wear this shit like a beret. You gotta got down.
I dropped them birds in the water. Hit it with ice in the soda. I dropped them birds in the water. I dropped them birds in the water. I got 4 pots on the stove. Cooking up everyone order. Watch me come whip up that whip up. Watch me flex up when that chuck up. Watch me come hook up that cook up. Look like I'm up cooking breakfast. I dropped them birds in the water. I dropped them birds in the water.
Hey, man, we on the scene, man, on the set, man. Bird bad, man. Carter, man. Straight up, man. Straight like that. Carter, man. I might take my Nino Brown movement to a room.
Definitely won't be in the spot for this all tonight. You did. No deal. Fat Schmitty right here. Fat Schmitty right here. He gonna be in the scene. We gonna walk him down the street stark.
I'm putting all this shit on.
Nigga, keep my name out your mouth. Before my young niggas get reckless, we pull up, popping out and loading that Vector, that 223 and popping 40 gon' dead on my Migo on the way that money.
Kill everybody. Hey, nigga sit behind the back and go. Get that one off shoot. Nigga, been there, let it go.
That's good. That nigga nothing.
What you want to
You see it?
Yeah. How you do that? Everybody, man, teach me how to chop that shit
Got my big bro right here, you know what we doing? Ain't no mystery, man. Every nigga know what time it is, man. Hey, nigga Nino 10, this motherfucker, you know? Look at nigga greasy, man. This nigga greasy, bro. McDonald's and shit while I'm dressed like this. I'm like, nigga, I don't want that shit. Fucking throw that shit way over there. I shoot this nigga. Nigga, shoot this nigga. Nigga try to have me McDonald's, man. What the fuck is going on, man? Cancel this motherfucker. Hey, man. My own friends are scared of me.
Picture that with the
What did I do? What did I ever do? That was so wrong. You know what I'm saying? To make my own homeboys be scared of me, man. I ain't did nothing to nobody, bro. Look at him. And my partner right there, man. Man, shaking like a
cannon roll.
Look, go ahead.
That's a cannon roll. What that tell you? Let that man light it.
Hey, man.
He hang niggas off,
See? That's what it is. See, you heard it? That's what it is right there. That's what it is.
Watch me flex up when that chuck up. Watch me come hook up that cook up. Look like I'm up cooking breakfast.
Boo, 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 boo.
Boom rock! There's that many syllables in it. That was it!
Boom rock.
Last one.